Welcome to Aviator NYC. Whether you're a new aviator or you're gifting a flight experience, it is essential to choose the right lesson duration. Let's dive into the differences between the 1 hour, 2 hour, or the 3 hour group lessons that we offer here at Aviator NYC. First up, are you a young aviator? For our youngest enthusiasts, especially kids under 13, we recommend 1 hour session. Why? It's all about keeping the attention span engaged and learning enjoyable. In a 1 hour lesson, you can expect a 15-minute pre-flight briefing. Here, we're gonna be addressing questions and a quick overview of weather reports. Then we're gonna go straight into the simulator, where we're gonna be learning about taxiing, basic aircraft control, takeoff, maintaining level, and in-flight exercises to get the pilot comfortable with the flight controls. For adults, we suggest a 2 hour session. It takes a bit of time to settle into the mindset of piloting, whether it's a simulator or the airplane. In the 2 hour session, our brief is normally about 30 minutes, offering the opportunity to go in depth in weather briefing, setting a solid foundation. During the simulator session, you will explore in depth the checklist, taxiing, aircraft control, on the ground and in flight. We're gonna be exploring the elevator trim. At the end of the lesson, we're gonna be talking about the descent. Considering a 3 hour lesson, this is perfect for groups of maximum 4. Each participant gets their hands on in the simulator. The structure mirrors the 2 hour lesson, but with a rotation system. Everyone gets a chance to practice taxiing, takeoff, and in-flight maneuvers. Ready to book? Head to our website, Aviator NYC, and choose your preferred time slot. You cannot find a suitable time? Email us. Remember, our instructors are active airline pilots. Our schedule comes out at the end of the month and it gets updated monthly. If you book in advance, we will keep you informed of any changes. At Aviator NYC, every lesson is a step towards becoming a pilot, whether you're embarking in your aviation journey or want to do it with your friends. Our simulator provides a realistic and enriching experience. Book your session today and embark on an unforgettable journey.